Hello student, welcome to my physics class. In this video we are discussing AC generator. AC generator is a machine which produces alternating current energy from mechanical energy. It is the most important application of the phenomena of electromagnetic induction. It consists of north and south pole pieces of strong electromagnet in which coil PQRS is rotated. Axis of rotation is perpendicular to magnetic field lines. Okay, and end of the coil is connected to slip rings R1 and R2. These are hollow metallic rings to which ends of the coil is connected. These rings rotate with rotation of the coil. B1 and B2 are two flexible metal plates or carbon rods. They are fixed and are kept in light contact with R1 and R2 respectively. The purpose of brushes is to pass on current from the armature coil to the external load resistance. Load are connected to V1 and V2. Right? As the coil is rotated in the magnetic field, angle theta between field and normal to the coil changes continuously. Due to change, this magnetic flux linked with the coil changes and EMF is induced in the coil. Suppose plane of the coil is perpendicular to the plane of the paper in which magnetic field is applied with PQ in front and RS at the back. The amount of magnetic flux linked with the coil in this position is maximum. As the coil is rotated anti-clockwise, PQ moves inward and RS move outward as shown in figure. PQ move inward and RS move outward. The amount of magnetic flux linked with the coil changes according to Fleming's right hand rule. If we apply Fleming's right hand rule, we find that the direction of the current in PQ is from P to Q and in direction of the current in RS from R to S. Right? And in external circuit, we see that current is flowing from B2 to B1. Okay? Right? AC generator or AC dynamo, or we can say alternator, is a device which converts mechanical energy into alternating current or electrical energy. Its principle is it works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. What do you think about electromagnetic induction? Electromagnetic induction is whenever amount of magnetic flux linked with the coil changes and EMF is induced in the coil. It lasts so long as the change in magnetic flux through the coil continues. Direction of current induced is given by Fleming's right hand rules. Construction, as we have discussed in previous slide, it consists of field magnets with pole north pole and south pole in which coil rotated and axis of rotation is perpendicular to the magnetic field lines. Armature coil PQRS, slip rings. Armature PQRS is rectangular coil. It consists of large number of turns of insulated copper wire wound over a laminated soft iron core. The coil can rotate it about central axis, as shown in previous slide. Slip rings R1 and R2 are two hollow metallic slip rings to which two ends of coil are connected. These rings rotated with the rotation of the coil. Brushes B1 and B2. B1 and B2 are two flexible metal plates or carbon rods. They are fixed and are kept in light contact with R1 and R2. The purpose of brushes is to pass on current from the armature coil to the external load resistance R. Right? And load R is connected to brushes B1 and B2. Right? Working. Let armature be rotated in such a way that the RPQ goes down and RS comes up from the plane of the diagram. As we have discussed in previous slide, induce EMF and hence the current is set up in the coil. Right? By Fleming's right hand rule, direction of the current is P, Q, R, S, R2, B2, B1, R1 and R1P. After half the rotation of the coil, the RPQ comes up and RS goes down into the plane of the diagram. As shown in previous slide, by Fleming's right hand rule, the direction of the current is P, R1, B1, B2, R2, S, R, Q, P. Right? If one way of the current is taken positive, then the reverse current is taken negative. Therefore, the current is said to be alternating and the corresponding wave is sinusoidal. Okay. Uniform magnetic field, coil PQRS is rotated in magnetic field in clockwise direction. Okay, a coil is rotated, theta changes, therefore magnetic flux linked with the coil changes and EMF induced in the coil. Phi equal to NBA. Magnetic flux linked with the coil is phi equal to NBA cos theta at time t with angular velocity omega. Theta equal to omega t. At t equal to 0, loop is assumed to be perpendicular to magnetic field and theta is 0. Right? Phi equal to NBA cos omega t. So differentiating this equation with respect to t, d phi over dt is equal to minus NBA omega sin omega t. E equal to minus d phi over dt. E equal to NBA omega sin omega t equal to E naught sin omega t, where E naught equal to NBA omega. The variation of induced EMF with time shown in this figure. Right? So it was something about AC generator. If you have any question regarding this topic, just ask me in my comment box. Thank you.